Yo, real talk. Ever feel like your brain's a browser with 97 tabs open? Me too. Turns out 17th century samurai had the fix. They didn't meditate for hours or chant mantras. They cleaned their minds like you scrub dirty dishes. Here's the wild part. Samurai didn't fix thoughts, they made space. Takuan Soho, samurai monk, saw thoughts like clouds passing through sky. Don't fight the cloud, expand the sky. Every dawn, he'd sweep temple steps while mentally brushing away clutter. Araki Mesa, elite swordsman, used a wooden ladle and water basin. Poured water back and forth just to hear the rhythm. Not to silence thoughts, to create gaps between them. 3 stupid simple rituals you can steal. The 10-second hand wash. Next time you wash hands, go slow-mo. Feel the water. Hear the splash. It's not hygiene, it's a brain reset button. The 1 breath pause Makoto-no-ma. Before replying to a text, email, stupid comment. Stop. Breathe. Blink. Samurai did this mid-battle. You can do it mid-argument. The 10-minute tidy. Clear one surface daily. Desk/kitchen table/hell. Even your phone home screen. Outer order equals inner oxygen. Why this works? Your brain's not built for 24/7 noise. These micro-rituals create mental air pockets. No positive thinking required, just physical anchors. If this clicked, do me a solid. Smash subscribe. I drop ancient mindset hacks weekly. No fluff, just tactics that stick. Want to help keep these secrets free? Join the dojo on Patreon, link below. You'll get exclusive scripts plus Q&As to sharpen your focus. Seriously, every coffee brews more free wisdom for distracted brains. From my heart, arigato. You're not supporting a channel. You're preserving timeless truth. Remember, you're not your thoughts. You're the sky they float through. Clean your mind daily. I'm with you. Kajete Maru.